AssalamuAlaikum everyone. This is Artikia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really gorgeous hijab tutorial for Eid and it's perfect for any party or occasion. For this style, I'm using this beautiful Pashmina hijab and Orna which are sponsored by Orna Hijab Godown. The shop's address and other details are given on the description box below. I hope you guys will like this hijab tutorial, and if you do then please like, comment and share this video. It will really inspire me to do new videos on my channel. I hope you guys have a beautiful Eid with your families and Eid Mubarak to you all. I will catch you very soon in my next video. Thank you.